mention to you, Pep? I'm on the leaderboard in fruit batter ground.
You shouldn't be proud of that.
Yeah.
That means you're a sweat.
Well, I can't really deny it at this point because I completely decimated people. Now, you don't understand. Another Dark X Quake fought me, and I completely countered every single way. After they hit me with one turn move, I just turned into full tryhard and just decimated them.
Did they yell at you?
They thought I somehow had more range.
Oh, so you were cheating. Hey, remember when we moved this olive tree?
How are you gonna move it?
We already did. This is the one we moved from behind the pool, and we moved it here. Remember?
Yeah.
And it's doing good.
You don't cut it.
No, we're gonna leave it alone. As for this, I'll trim it this weekend. We gotta let it kind of all grow. Oh yeah, look at that. No, bug you unless you harass it. It is still chilly, huh? And the grass is...
Perfect day for that so-called Q&A that we were doing.
we do need to do that, eh?
When?
This weekend. I hope it's nice. That grass is coming in okay. Why does it look nicer on the bottom, eh?
Hey, you know the best part?
What?
About the Trampoline Basketball thing, they added 72 emotes, and if you wanted to get them all, you have to pay $20.
Really?
Yeah. Or play the game for 6 months, all day, every day, to get them for free. So I guess that's something. And you could be grinding all that time just for a push-up.
Are you?
That's it.
Are you going to South Florida?
I don't want you.
Well, did you ask your mom?
No.
You should probably chat with her about it. My ball. Oh.
That's deserved. Wait.
That sucked.
That's what you deserve.
Wait, it didn't count. You didn't check it to me. 1-0.
Go get it.
What the heck are you doing?
Go get it.
Oh yeah, that's what I'll do.
Yeah.
You have 5 seconds before I come and squeeze you.
Get it.
5.
That's a 1.
4.
That's a 2.
3.
That's a 3.
2.
That's a 4.
1.
That's a 5. You're counting in the wrong. Ow. Oh, I got WWD.
I'm killing I
I got WWE, man. Oh, my back. What did I do?
Okay, I'll get it. Zero, zero.
It ain't 0-0.
It is now. Penalty.
Nuh-uh.
You knocked it out.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
You didn't catch it. It's your fault. Why is it suddenly not windy?
1-0.
2-1.
1-0.
2-0.
Two nothing.
No, it's 3.
No, it ain't.
Yeah, it Throw it. No.
That sucks.
No.
No.
No. No. Get off. No. You can't get my ball. Oh. Oh. It's my ball. Oh, you hit my ball. Oh, God. Oh, no, it went in. It went in. It went in.
All right, 3-0.
It's 4.
No.
Yeah, huh?
Timeout.
I dunked on you.
3-0.
Bear.
I gotta rest.
Stop zapping me.
All right. It's still my ball.
Stop stalling.
Yeah, I need to rest.
You're taking this break way too long.
But I'm dying. Hey, I gotta rest.
Maybe bring some
Holy crap, look at that. 1, 2, 3.
Maybe bring some water.
It ain't water. It's my ticker ain't working good. I read about it. If your heart is not getting enough oxygen, it makes you suffer. Look at that.
Come on.
Some people say that they're up to no good. Those contrails.
I know you said that before.
I don't think it is. I think it's just vapor. Created from heat impacting the cold that's up there. That's what I would guess. Man, that plane's going fast. Alright, time in. 3-0.
It's 4.
You can keep saying that, but it ain't gonna change that I went and got the ball that you threw out. That's a
like crumbling over there, you know?
well, there's probably stuff in there.
Yeah, like deer.
And bears. And wolves and coyotes. And mices. 3-1.
4, but you know.
No, it isn't. You can't.
I fell.
It does seem that way.
No,
Alright.
back. Ew.
Oh.
Oh. I'm done. Ow. That wasn't necessary. Get out. No. This is not. You can't do that. No. I got T-Rex arms.
Ow. That was a dunk.
I dropped.
It was a dunk.
Nuh-uh.
Doesn't count.
It does. It was 5.
4.
Oh. Yeah. That did not hurt you.
4-2, right?
I made it. 6-2.
5-2. What are we going to?
5.
GG.